Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification. So first of all, we are going to our Instagram profile. Now you guys need to click on that edit profile. Now click on privacy and security and then scroll down, and here you can see data download. You guys need to click on request download, okay, and you guys need to select HTML, and you can see that email. You guys need to remember that email, okay, and you need to follow the next step. So they actually after you already did a download request of your Instagram data. Now you guys need to go to your email, okay, which actually registered with. Now here you can see you guys need to log in into Instagram to download the data, and here you can see download information. Click on that and you simply can save your Instagram data, okay. So it will download as zip file. So you guys need to open up, and okay, now you guys need to extract that zip file. So once you have downloaded the profile, you guys need to find that zip file and you guys need to extract your files, right? So open up that folder and look for followers and following. Click on that, and you guys need to first of all you can see that there are lots of you can see HTML documents available. So I'm going to select the followers, open up that followers, okay, on the edge. So here you can see all your followers right here. I mean all my followers right here. So you have to copy all that stuff, right? Now after copying all that stuff, search for listdiff.com, okay, so which will help you to different show you the different between followers and following. Okay, now you can see that I have copied all the followers list here, and here you can see you guys need to open up that following HTML document and then scroll down and copy all the following profile, okay, simply. Now paste that list into list B, okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to compare lists, right? So if you guys need to click on that, and here you can see a only it's the only followers, okay, showing you only followers, but in that you can see middle of the box it's showing you all the profile which you follow only, and they also follow you. But in B only you can see this list. In this list they are the people who actually not following you, or either they followed you before and then now they are not following you, or they're just unfollowed you. So you guys should remember if they followed you or not, okay. So let me make this more easy for you guys. If you select sort by A to Z, okay, and if you click on compare lists, you will be able to read those names more easily, okay. So here you can see that okay. Now let me just set up the short, okay. Now in this B only list you will be able to find those people who actually not following you, or maybe before they used to follow you and right now they are not following you, they just simply unfollowed you. So you guys should remember who actually unfollowed you. Okay guys, so I hope you guys can find who actually unfollowed you on Instagram. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can find out who is unfollowed you on Instagram. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.